India is observing the Constitution Day today, that is the 26th of November. Now, it's an annual observance that commemorates the official adoption of the Indian Constitution on this day back in 1949, establishing India as a sovereign and democratic republic. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi are participating in the celebrations that are taking place at the Central Hall of the Old Parliament in New Delhi. In 2015, the government officially notified 26th of November as the Constitution Day to promote constitutional values among citizens.
वर्षगांठ मना रहा है। नमस्कार आप सभी का, आप सभी माननीय विशिष्ट जनों का इस ऐतिहासिक केंद्रीय कक्ष में हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन एवं आप सभी को।
Before 2015, 26th of November was formally observed as the National Law Day in honor of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution, also the first law minister of independent India. Now, the drafting of the Constitution was an intensive and inclusive process. The Constitution Assembly, the body which was assigned to draft the Constitution, took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the drafting of the Constitution. In the process of making the Constitution of India, over 7,600 amendments were proposed, and later 2,400 amendments were accepted after the Assembly spent 114 days discussing the draft. While the Constitution was adopted on 26th of November 1949, 2 months later, that is on the 26th of January 1950, the Constitution came into effect. This date was chosen because the Congress's Purna Swaraj resolution had been declared on the same date in 1930. As a result, January 26th is celebrated as Republic Day in India. Now, celebrations today are also seeing the participation of Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Speaker of Lok Sabha Om Birla, members of Parliament from both the houses, among others. The President of India led the reading of the preamble to the Constitution during the program. Now, today, translated versions of the Constitution of India will be released in 9 languages, including Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Punjabi, Kashmiri, and Telugu. The commemorative booklet, art and calligraphy in the Indian Constitution will also be released during the program.